Hey guys, Jules Kain here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over Standing in the Need by John P. Key. This song is going to be in the key of D flat, C sharp. Okay, so it's a fairly simple song. It's just a couple of progressions through here. So let's start off with the intro. So you're going to start off on, it's really like playing an E flat minor 7 to an F minor 7 to an F sharp major 7, F minor 7, E flat major 7, an A flat 9 sus 4, which is an F sharp chord on top of A flat. Then we're going to play an A flat chord on top of D flat. And then resolve to D flat. Then we walk up, E flat again, E flat minor 7, F minor 7, F sharp major 7, A flat, you can do a B flat minor 7 there, to an A flat over C, to D flat. And that was the intro. So, when the verses start, you're playing the same thing. John singing, "It's me. It's me, oh Lord, standing in the need, standing in the need of prayer." Okay, so you're going to start off on D flat, "It's me," then an A flat over C. Then we're going to do the minor 7 chromatic walk down, B flat minor 7, drop down a half step to A minor 7, then to A flat minor 7. Then we go to a D flat 7. Then to a D flat over F. Then we're going to do an E flat, I am. So an E flat minor 7 to F minor 7. Then the same chords we've gone through before. Stand, F sharp major 7, ding, ding, F minor 7, the need, E flat minor 7, prayer. That's the walk up we've gone through. It's me. Standing in the need. Now watch this. Prayer. A flat minor 7 to D flat 7. Not my mother, father, sister, or brother, but it's me, oh Lord, but it's me, oh Lord, I am standing in the need of prayer. So, we're going to start on this here. So, after you hear to D flat, the little section here, we're going to do an F sharp major 7, not my mother, father. So you can either do this F7 sharp 9 sharp 5 or an alternative dominant. You can do an F7 flat 9 which is that diminished 7 on top of F7. You can walk up with that E flat over G, so A diminished, so that B flat minor. Then we walk up to a B flat over D. Okay, then we go back to That's pretty much the whole song, except for the little vamp at the end, where he's telling the testimony. Need a prayer. Then the vamp at the end. Not too long ago. Okay, so the vamp at the end, you're gonna be need a prayer. Yes. So you're going to play this D flat minor chord on your right hand. Left hand is going to be an F. And I like to add this little B here. So technically it's a D flat 7, sharp 9, but I think it's a bit easier to remember if you just think of playing a D flat minor on top of F. Then an E flat minor on top of F sharp. To D flat minor over A flat. Then so this you can think of playing, it's like an A flat minor over D flat, and then you resolve to the D flat 9. Alright, then they do a little walk down. So it's think of playing an E over B to an F sharp, actually an E flat minor over B flat to D flat minor over A flat. Healed the baby. So oh Lord, me standing in the need of, I am standing in the need of prayer. Okay, that was Standing in the Need by John Peakey and the New Life Community Choir. Hey, if there's a song you want me to cover on my channel to put up a tutorial on, please send in a donation. There's links in my bio and in the video description. Alright, please like and subscribe, and I will be back with some more. Take care.